Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day video, but I'm also going to be showing you what my cat eats. So should be fun. In case you missed it, I have a kitten who is maybe 17 or 18 weeks old now, and I've been feeding him a raw food diet since I got him. So yeah, gonna show that to you as well as what I'm eating today. Anyways, I just headed to the grocery store to pick some things up and also to grab something from the post office. And now I'm home, probably going to make a coffee and yeah, then start my day. Thinking for my first meal today, I'm going to get a little bit crazy. I'm gonna make some burger patties and top them with some fried eggs and also some chipotle lime mayo. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. That's what we're gonna do. I just decided on the spot this was what I was gonna eat, and yeah, let's do it. This wasn't a lot of food. I definitely should have made one more burger, but we'll see how I feel afterwards. Might whip up one more. So what I do with Zeus's food is I have a whole bunch of tiny little containers. Obviously, I've given him about half of this already, so I prep them at the start of the week, and I usually have about yeah, I think I have about 10 containers. So I just freeze these. I take one out the night before, and yep, that's pretty much his food for the day. And I feed him as much as he wants to eat. As soon as his bowl is empty, I refill it. If the food's sitting out too long, more than like an hour or so, then I'll just toss it and refill it when he's hungry again. So now he has some chicken thigh, some chicken giblets, some chicken liver, and just some beef heart powder. About every other day, I give him about half of a fish oil capsule, just cut open and squirted on as well. And I'm just gonna have one of these kombuchas as a bit of a, it's not really a snack, a drink. These are from a brand called 𝗥𝗘𝗥𝗘. Obviously, it's not carnivore because it's kombucha, but this company is really, really good. Everything is sugar-free, sweetened with stevia and erythritol, and 0 grams of sugar, 0.2 carbs, only 6 calories. They just have these at Kohl's. Not sure about Woolworths, but yeah, if you're in Australia, not 100% carnivore, but I mean, just about as clean ingredients as you can get. I have a T-bone steak for dinner. This has a nice strip of fat along the side. Other than that, it's not too fatty, but that's okay. I'm also just gonna have 4 eggs with it because it's not a very big steak. And then probably serve that with some butter. So literally so simple. But what is going to make this exciting is I am going to be using my new Ninja Foodi grill. So I talked about this on Instagram and I did a post, but I don't think I've shown it to you yet on YouTube. So if you've watched my last couple What I Eat in a Day videos, I've been raving about my Kmart air fryer. And yes, it is awesome, but Ninja Australia sent me this to try. And this is an air fryer, a dehydrator, a roaster, I guess. It roasts and bakes and grills all in one. This is a new release by Ninja, and they sent me it to try, and honestly, I thought it was going to be a bit much. I mean, it is pretty big, and I was kind of like, I don't really need something that does all of this. I have an air fryer. This is a game changer, and it doesn't smoke. It cooks things perfectly. So basically, I'm going to be having an indoor barbecue and barbecuing this on the grill setting. I've only air fried my steaks so far, so we'll have to see how the grill goes. Seriously, guys, if you have a small kitchen or maybe you don't have a full kitchen, this is perfect. It is a bit pricey. They gave me a promo code for 20% off, but only for my Australian followers. So if you're in the US, I'm sorry. I haven't tried the dehydrate function yet, or the roast, or the bake. I've only used the grill, and I've only used the air fryer. I think I'm gonna do a full review video once I've tried everything. Answer some emails, and I have one email here with a few questions about my program Keto to Carnivore. So if you don't know, I created this program. It's a 4-week program to help people transition from a keto to carnivore diet, and I also provide some coaching and support through a Facebook group. But yeah, I have a few questions, so I'm just gonna read them through in case any of you had similar questions. So how large is the group each month? 15 people. I cap it at 15. That's it. I want the groups to be nice and small so that I can connect with everyone and offer them the support they need. How does the support work? So I have a private Facebook group for each round. So just the 15 people in that round can be in the Facebook group. You can post your questions there and I get back to you within 24 hours. Everything is done through the Facebook group. I also do a live stream at the start of every month, so you can just fire off some questions there. Where is the course hosted? Can I view the material after the session is over? So I have the program set up like an online course. It's on a website called 𝗥𝗡𝗥𝗘, and pretty much each week more material gets released to you. You go through all the readings, the videos, the audio. There's also some tasks to be completed at the end of the week, so you do those as well before moving into the next week. Do you accept international clients? Yes, the program is open to anyone, no matter where you are in the world. I think in the current round we have people from 5 different countries. And yeah, those are all the questions that I had emailed to me, so I thought I would just answer them quickly here in case anyone else was interested. You can join the wait list so you're the first to know when it opens. Like I said, only 15 people each month. That is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye. And yeah, pretty much one